Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing to share with you, and it's a limited edition Valentine's special beauty box from Lookfantastic. This is beautiful, it's like a little book, or a rather large book. So we open it up inside, we get a card and it details everything about the products inside, so I'll refer to that as we go along. I'll just give you a quick sneak peek. The cost of the box is £55. It contains 12 beauty products and 6 of them are full size. Plus it contains a £40 voucher for Lelo, which is a woman's health, sexual pleasure sort of voucher, or you can use it against a toy basically on Lookfantastic if you want to. I think there is a minimum spend. I will double check and I'll pop it down in the description. The box has a value of £198, and if you are a subscriber to the monthly beauty box, then you're able to have £10 knocked off if you use code LOVEBB. Or there is another code you could use which will entitle you to 20% off, which is new20. I'm not sure if that's still working, but I'll pop it down below in the description, so you're welcome to take a look because that entitles you to an extra £1 off. So all links and everything related to this box and the codes you will find down below in my description. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. This is the Lelo voucher, and it does say here you can get £40 off any Lelo product when you spend £100 or more on the brand. So going back to this card, I just wondered if there was like, not a theme, obviously it's Valentine's. We know it's for all to do with Valentine's, but whether there was some information about the box, there's not. It's just got the product information. So we'll get straight into it then. First up, we've got a product by Elemis. This is a superfood berry boost mask, a rebalancing prebiotic purple mask with bilberry, blackcurrant and grape, and it mattifies, rebalances and clarifies, and 75 mils there. Oh, that sounds absolutely gorgeous actually. Berries, I bet it smells beautiful. Ah, I recently tried an overnight sleeping mask from the superfood range, and it didn't really do anything to my face. You know, it's nice to apply on my face, but in the morning I woke up and I was thinking, nah, it didn't really impress me. But then again, I do like using oils at night, and I do use quite a thick moisturiser as well. Anyway, I'll be passing that on, but I am excited to give this one a go. If you'd like me to do a video, please let me know, because I've got a load of products ready to test. But yeah, I want to bring back more product testing on my YouTube channel. Oh, it smells beautiful. Yeah, it's like a grey purple mask, as it says. But yeah, it smells beautiful. Formulated with Brazilian purple clay and omega-rich superberry complex and black tea extract, this purifying treatment helps to balance the skin and absorb excess oil for a fresh, clear and mattified experience. Appearance, not experience, appearance. So that's the first item in the box. Next, we've got something new for me. This is Cloud Jelly Plumping Hydration Serum by Herbivore. Look at the packaging, isn't that beautiful? Yeah. And there's 30 mils here. The packaging is gorgeous. Very simple, but really, really nice. Okay. Have you tried any products from Herbivore before? I don't think I have. You're not going to see much. No scent. Feels like a really nice serum as far as my hand is concerned. Vegan collagen and tremella plumping hydration serum. Vegan collagen and tremella mushroom combine to provide a heavenly smooth serum that's non-sticky and glides over your complexion for a hydrated and brighter looking appearance. So second item in the box. Next we've got a lipstick by MAC, and this is in shade Myrrh. This is a matte lipstick. It's a full size. I wonder if I've already got the shade. I'm gonna have to look at my lipsticks. Yeah, a really pretty colour, nice rosy colour there. Let's see if we get the same. We all get the same shade. The creamy formula provides rich and full coverage of colour and leaves an effortlessly matte finish for perfectly kissable lips. So we got a lipstick by MAC. Next up we've got a nail polish by Nails Inc. This is Be Your Incredible Self, and this is in Portland Square. I've already got this one. I absolutely love this colour. You see there. It is beautiful, but as you can probably tell, I have gel nails done, and I've already got one of these. This is the sort of colour I put on my toes in the summer. As bright as possible, bright reddy orange. I absolutely love it. But I'll see if my daughter wants it because I've already got one. We'll all receive the same shade, and it says the formula is enriched with hexanol, which is rich in calcium, and magnesium to strengthen nails and extend wear time. So there's that. Next, we've got a brush. This is by Luvia. Oh gosh, I can't pronounce it. I can't see what it is. Luvia Cosmetics Prime Vegan Candy Pro Blush Brush. And it says this precision makeup brush is everything you need for a flawless date night. New brand. I haven't tried anything from this brand before. And this is $2.13. It's a really lovely brush. I love the colours. Nice and soft. I do like that. Next, we got something for your hair, and this is by Living Proof. This is Perfect Hair Day, the dry shampoo, and we got 92 mils here. Nice little travel size there. This weightless formula freshens up the feel and appearance of your hair between washes. The shampoo is infused with a slow release fresh fragrance for a scent that lasts all day. We've got a product by Ciate London, and this is Glow Up Illuminating Blush in shade Matchmaker, I think it is. It's one thing with having longer nails. I can get into things. Normally I have what they call tombstone, coffin. I think it's coffin, isn't it? I find that more difficult, but these ones are more like almond-y. So they're easier to open things. Yeah, I've had this one before. Maybe in a Lookfantastic box. I can't remember now. It's a pretty colour. It's very, very subtle. Slight pink with some shimmer. You can just see in the corner there. Delivering up to 12 hours of smudge and cake-free wear, this finely milled formula contains an ombre blend of matte blusher with ultra-refined highlight pigment. It's gone. Packaging's gone. So we got a blush. Next up, we got a mascara by Too Faced, and this is Better Than Sex, and we've got the mini one, which is 3.9 grams. Now, I have got a few of these. I've got a few saved up underneath my bed where I keep my little stash of holiday night away favourite makeup skincare products. And yeah, I've got a few of them down there. So I'm going to see how many I've got. And if I have got quite a few, then I will pass this on. But there's no point in me keeping them all. But it's a really great mascara. It's one of my favourite all-time mascaras. My favourites are Legendary Lashes by Charlotte Tilbury, but it is quite clumpy, but I do really like it. It makes my lashes go whoosh. And also Iconic London as well. I can't remember the name of it now. Oh, it's amazing. I do really like it. So yeah, I go through phases of loving different mascaras, but I'll always love this one. It's a really big brush, so no good for me underneath my eyelashes because they're really small and fine. I just make a mess, but yeah, on top, I'll just show you actually. But on top they're great. It really pulls and lengthens and separates. Yeah, I do really like it. This waterproof mascara combines a collagen-filled formula with an hourglass-shaped brush for an even and maximum coverage. We have got a perfume here. This is by Amber, Laboratory Perfumes number 001. And we've got 5 mils. Again, something new for me. I love this little bottle. See? It's a really nice size perfume. Oh, what do you smell of though? Is it to my taste? Oh, that smells like a sexy man. Oh, I really like that. I really like that if my husband wore it. It's obviously a unisex one, isn't it? Where is it? Oh, it's a freebie. It doesn't even show it here. It's an added extra little freebie. Yeah, that is a sexy scent. Next, we've got a product by Ouai. This is a detox shampoo for all hair types, and we got 30 mils here. You can see there. Apple cider vinegar helps strengthen weakened hair, improves luster by lowering the pH levels of your hair and scalp, and alleviates itchiness with its soothing properties. Yeah, apple cider vinegar is something I try and take as much as I can in my diet. It has a whole host of benefits for you. And now you've got it in a shampoo. Next up, we have got This Works. This is a pillow spray, but a love sleep pillow spray. Reclaim the bedroom for sleep and intimacy with ylang ylang and patchouli. A spray to get you in the mood. So, yeah. We tried this before. I can't remember what's it smell like. I'm not sure about it getting me in the mood, but I do really like the smell. We use pillow sprays a lot, and yeah, this is nice. I actually prefer the scent of this one than the original. I call it the original, but you know that This Works, the sleep pillow spray. With a super blend of ylang ylang and patchouli, this light mist is sure to give your bedtime routine an element of pleasure. There's that. And then lastly, we've got a Delilah lip liner, long wear retractable pencil in, I'm guessing it's in shade Pout. I think so. Looks like there. Let's put it next to the lipstick to see how well that would blend. Yeah, it's not too bad. You could blend that. This smooth texture glides over skin, delivering intense pigmented colour for ultimate lip definition. Water, smudge and fade proof. The lip liner guarantees not to budge all day. So there you go. So those are all the items in this year's Lookfantastic Valentine's special beauty box. I'll just give you a bit of a recap. We got an Elemis Superfoods Berry Boost face mask. Got a Living Proof dry shampoo. We've got a Herbivore Cloud Jelly face serum. We've got a Ouai detox shampoo. We've got a MAC matte lipstick in shade Myrrh. We've got a Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. We've got a This Works Love Sleep pillow spray. We've got a Ciate London blush. We've got a Nails Ink polish in shade Portland Square. We've got a Delilah lip pencil in shade Pout. We've got a Luvia blush brush. We've got an added freebie of this perfume called Amber. And lastly, the £40 off Lelo products. The cost of the box is £55, or if you are a subscriber, you can have it discounted to £45, and it has a value of £198. You'll find all links and details down below in my description. I'd love to hear what you think. What do you think of it this year? How does it compare to previous Valentine editions? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.